In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable typo protection in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you've ever noticed Edge trying to protect you from websites it thinks are misspelled or suspicious, and you want to turn that feature off, this tutorial is for you. This is a quick settings change, but it can make browsing feel a lot smoother if you already know exactly where you want to go. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu, where you can access all of the browser settings and options. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the full Edge settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories, and this is where we need to navigate carefully. Now click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains many of Edge's privacy-related controls, search settings, and security features. It's the main area where Microsoft puts options like tracking prevention, search suggestions, and protection tools. Once you're inside Privacy, Search, and Services, scroll down until you find the Security section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little to see it clearly. The Security area is where Edge keeps some of its browser protection features, including typo protection. In the Security section, look for Website Typo Protection. This is the setting that helps Edge warn you when it thinks you may have typed a website address incorrectly. If you want to disable that behavior, simply toggle Website Typo Protection off. As soon as you turn it off, Edge will stop using that protection feature for websites you visit. That means the browser will no longer try to correct or warn you about certain mistyped web addresses in the same way. If you ever want to turn the feature back on later, you can always return to the same location and switch it back on again. So don't worry, this change is reversible anytime you need it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled typo protection in Microsoft Edge. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where the setting is located. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.